It's not actually too bad. Like, the road's clear. I just have to get used to it. That middle lane, she's dusty, but she seems not too bad. Just getting used to the road. If I can get my steering sorted out, I'll just come down that middle lane. I can't really, it's hard to come down the way, because if I'm coming down the way and I'm heading on down there, if somebody comes around the corner, obviously I'm not seeing them. On a calm day you can hear them. Do I go further up and run down past where the lorry is? There's a lay-by there, so that's a possibility. Put the car up in the grass, but we'll see. The other bit of road isn't too great, the bit of tarmac, so if the car's not going straight down the middle, you're a bit snookered. Okay, we'll just see how level the road actually is. So she runs off that way, so should be just a stone. Check the middle. Yeah, the middle runs off quite a bit that way. What are we looking at? Okay, this side here, it's just a shame this side here has such bad tarmac. Same. So at the minute I'm just running the middle, but we'll see how it goes. Because obviously you're going to get debris in the middle, so you need to make sure it's all clear. Go track, start. Alright. Not that it's going to be any sort of great speed or anything like that there, but we'll do our best. Again, we're only testing here, so we can only try, can't we? Get our fans on. This road's great, there's no traffic here at all. So, let's take her up quite far. Okay, so we are lined up. Let's see how we do. We'll get on the ladder. Yeah, it's not like in the white lines, I fear. But that was good, I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that immensely. Let's see what we got. Let's bring her back. Right, let's let her cool down for a bit and let's see what speed we got. Yeah, she doesn't like the bumps at all. Let's take that out. Let her cool down a bit. Everything's still in her. We will turn that off. That's roasting. I'll let that run for a bit longer. Excuse me, forgive me, we'll turn this other camera off here. And then, let's see what we got. Take this head cam off. Okay, stop, read, 139, okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the batteries up. She's maybe not geared. I just wanted to see what we can get. That's a PB for me anyway. Will I try and come down another part of the road because it just didn't like the white lines. So, will I try? No. We'll certainly give it a go and try and get 140. The gearing possibly, I'll heat the batteries here this time. The gearing's possibly only good for 145 if I heat it, but we'll soon find out. Okay, so this was the first run on 8S. Again, 7 seconds. You've got your RPM. Ripple isn't too bad. As I say, because I'm running the cap pack, normally it would be on 8S, it would be up in around 1.80 or 1.9. Just checking out voltage sag here. It was quite considerable, to be truthful. Unexpected there. So I'll check it on the next run. But I held it for roughly 5 seconds, no, 4.5 seconds it would have been. In here's obviously 5 seconds. For those of you who don't know how to read the data logs, we got 52,249 RPM. Full power output, and 15.251 horsepower bhp. I don't deal with watts. And current was 435. All right, so we can gear way up here, but what is getting me here is the voltage sag.